This is a 1954 Studebaker with a Corvette motor in it. It's for sale. This is a 1954 Studebaker with a Corvette motor in it. It says Jason. The model's Jason, believe it or not. I don't know what that. I never heard that model myself, but that's what it is. I'm not sure if the turn signals came like that, but they probably did. Studebaker was way ahead of its time. Much ahead of its time.
We were here last time, and I don't know if the guys here.
So, station wagon. You look at and see how the motor's stuffed in there, man. You'd never think this thing was rolling a heavy Hemi engine in there. Too. And you see the seats are high quality with the stitching in red. You know, leather seats looks like before. Don't look nothing like that now, man. Nice console in there. Everything's like looks like it grew there, man. They make these. If they put this car in production right now like this, it would sell. Nobody's got any cojones anymore, you know. Shaved door handles. It's lowered. Nicer wheels. A lot of nice touches to this car. It looks like the glass has all been replaced and stuff. Got some kind of rubber. I don't think the glass was like that originally. It probably had like chrome molding around it. I don't think those are original tail lights too, but you can tell this car had a lot of work, dude. A lot of work. And whatever he's selling it for, it probably cost him more to make it than it did to what he's asking for. Usually that's how it works. It's a, you know, it's a passion, love of labor and spending money. So you got the power windows in there too, shaved door handles, and you know the mirrors are. This car, if you could put this thing in production right now, it would sell like crazy. It's gorgeous.